December 10 saw the last of 3 sleepouts take place at Ibrox Stadium for the Rangers Charity Foundation. Hundreds of fans took part in the event to raise funds for the Glasgow City Mission's winter shelter to ensure it can stay open for an extra month this year. On the night, fans took part in a pub quiz before being treated to a movie on the Ibrox big screens. From there, it was off to bed as the fans settled inside the concourse of the Broomloan Road stand.
We were invited to apply to be Rangers Charity Foundation's local charity partner, and the club really were keen to do something with homelessness in the city, and we're delighted to win that pitch. And I guess fans getting involved, the foundation getting involved, they've pledged £25,000 to fund an extra month of the Glasgow Winter Night Shelter. So it's a significant project, it's a significant amount of money, and I guess Glasgow City Mission, we've been just bowled over by the support from fans, from the club, from the foundation, and more than smashed that target. It's absolutely phenomenal.
Well, I guess we've done quite a few different charity events and came along to them throughout the years, and this is the first challenge we've actually taken up, and we're looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a challenging night, quite cold.
I've done many events for the Charity Foundation, and I was getting an award at the last True Blue Heroes event, and it came up on the screen, so I thought, why not, let's go ahead and do it. But I know it's going to get absolutely freezing.
I work in the East End, and I walk through the city centre every morning on the way to work, and I used to regularly see one particular guy, and I was sort of in the same spot every day, and then he disappeared. So you kind of wonder, has he gone? Has he got somewhere safe? Where is he? And then just even a few weeks before I heard about this, I saw 3 rough sleepers all huddled together, and I never knew what I could do, and I wanted to do something, and this seemed like a good start, because I think what the City Mission does is a great thing, so I was keen to try and raise funds.
I like to be involved in the charity as much as I can, because I feel that they obviously do such good work. This charity in particular took my interest because obviously the weather's pretty brutal in Scotland and this time of year, so I thought it was really important to get involved as best I could. Even now, being here and the temperature's quite low, I think tonight it will set in how difficult it really is to kind of be on the streets in that situation, definitely.
Took part in the sleep out last Thursday night, and yeah, I mean, it was good fun to be here and to be in and around the stadium, and just to be sleeping out with so many fans all getting behind this great cause. It was cold, it was uncomfortable. I was glad of my bed the next day, but yeah, great fun to be taking part in that.
In total, the sleepouts raised £59,000, a fantastic amount that is more than double the foundation's target. It was a tremendous achievement by all the fans that braved the icy temperatures for what was a very worthy cause.